Hi there, Alexis here with the Park Group. I am so excited because today we are in Crosswinds and I am here with Ira with Providence, and Ira is going to be walking us through one of their quick move-in homes that they have available. So Ira, please tell us where we're at today and what we are doing.
We are at Crosswinds, one of Nocatee's wonderful communities. I like this place. It's on the southern tip of Nocatee. We're about 1.5 miles from US 1. We're a straight shot to town center, and we're walking distance to Pine Island, Nocatee's newest K through 8. This is our Hernando floor plan, and I love this floor plan. Usually they're about 2,200 square feet. This one has an extra couple of hundred feet, making it 2,400 square feet.
Awesome.
Come on in.
Wow, love the grand entrance with the super high ceilings, all the natural light coming in from all the windows.
Thank you so much. And by the way, we have 9 of these in inventory right now.
Wow.
And they're all individually appointed. So if there's something, maybe you don't like this kind of kitchen cabinet, or you don't like this farmhouse sink, or this, well, who doesn't like this? But they're all individually appointed with different color selections and different structural selections too. So
and I want to point out to the viewers, this kitchen is absolutely stunning. These are upgraded cabinets, correct?
Always.
Upgraded sink, from what I can tell.
Yes.
It is
soft close.
Soft close.
And self close.
Love and soft close up here. Wow.
Yes.
Definitely an upgraded quick move-in home here.
As they all are. Now, these floors are LVP, which are wonderful for a guy like me with pets, or if you just like a high quality floor, these are wonderful. And the LVP extends to the treads at the stairs.
Wonderful. Stunning.
Thanks. Where you're going, Carling, is the laundry room. And just to the right of the laundry room, behind this door, is a garage that is 25 feet deep.
Wow.
So it's an extended garage on this particular example.
I love that you guys have done the cabinets in the laundry room. Love the extra window in there for the natural light.
There's something about natural light in the laundry room that's even extra nice.
And I also love that pocket door. It's perfect for a laundry area.
Come on down. This living area is nice and spacious. As I said, this house is over 2,400 square feet.
Wow.
You've got a powder bath here for your guests to use.
Love that it's off of the living area. So as you're hosting, they can just go in there and use it and don't have to be bothered by the bedrooms.
Let's open up some outdoor living and give you folks a taste.
Love the sliders.
This unfortunate, gorgeous weather we have in Florida. Now, this patio is got the pavers on it.
Yep.
It's our standard size. Right behind you, Alexis, is a gas drop for if you wanted to have a outdoor kitchen or just a grill.
And we are shade in the patio area.
Yeah, we're completely open up to the outside.
And you are so close to the new K through 8 Pine Island Academy, which is very exciting.
Well, the school system here, let's face it, it's the gas on the fire. Sure, we're it's less than 3 miles from the ocean, and we've got all the wonderful things that the Park Group has developed, but the school system is really a big draw.
Oh yeah.
It's best of game. Carling, you're going into the owner's suite, our primary bedroom. Is this not for those people who like a big owner's suite?
This is so large. I can definitely feel the depth that you guys have added into this home.
Yeah.
Love the tray ceilings. Absolutely.
It's never small, but this is really nice.
Beautiful.
Lots of natural light. They even added for that depth a tray ceiling that matches the bay window configuration.
Oh yeah. I'm so excited for you guys to see this bathroom. It's fabulous.
So you have a big honkin' shower. That is a technical term. Double basins.
Love the floor to ceiling tiles in the shower.
And another little hidden feature, it's hard to demonstrate on camera, but in that system is a very, very powerful but very, very quiet fan that comes on automatically when the shower goes on. How cool is that?
See more pocket doors, which again, I love. It gives you
Carling, I know you like a big closet. So one for her, one for him.
I'll take the bigger one, please.
Yes.
I love a separate toilet room, so that is great.
Absolutely.
Also, upgraded handles. I don't know if you can really see that on the camera, but upgraded handles throughout this house.
And we've carried the quartz into the owner's suite in this house, which I like quite a lot. Also, as we're talking about this owner's bedroom, they did carry the LVP and not carpet, which a lot of people, including myself, that's a very premium feature that I quite like.
Oh yeah. As we're walking back through this space is so open. I love that it's kitchen, dining, living. I can see a circle table here that could sit up to 8, if not more. Big couch in the corner. Oh yeah, it's great.
We're walking distance to Settlers Pond, to the K-8 school at Pine Island. Lovely under the stair storage for you. We've also got Crosswater Park with a 7,000-foot pool and dog parks, and Settlers Park with a 7,000-foot pool and dog park.
Yeah.
They're all covered for playgrounds because it gets hot in summer and you don't want to get your little kitties burned.
Yeah, that's what's so great about Nocatee is outside of just the big amenity hub, you have so many other pools and playgrounds right near where you live. So the park group really thought all of that very much through. And the golf cart parking and golf cart path goes all the way to Crosswinds.
Absolutely. Now here's the landing that's very useful. If you come to our model home, we've got this space staged so you can really see the utility of it.
So versatile, so many different things you could do in here.
So up here you have 3 secondary bedrooms, and what I like to point out to people is they don't share a wall. So it gives you extra privacy, and if you were to use one as a study or even just as a bedroom, not sharing a wall in a very well-built house like this is even more privacy.
Big, spacious bedrooms.
At the upstairs bath, you have 2 basins, and that little separation between the toilet and bath and the sinks is standard in this floor plan. And I quite like that for people with more than one kid who are using the space.
And isn't there something special about this closet that Garling's about to show?
So that's a nice big walk-in closet, and you've got lots of windows. Excuse me. Now the window scheme at the front of the house does change a little bit from elevation to elevation. But like I say, I've got 9 examples of this house that have been released, that are vertical, that we can walk, all of them with different selections on them. So, and we've got opportunities to build it.
Absolutely.
So there's a lot going on. Now, as you know, I got to talk about how well Providence builds a house. So in the attic above us, we feature the foam on the roof deck, Energy Star certified, EPA Indoor Air Plus certified. And while that alphabet soup is wonderful, what it means is, for you and me, it doesn't allow that air infiltration of the air, heat, and moisture that normally goes into an attic. Right. That's what the chocolate bunny is for. We use a chocolate bunny to demonstrate that our attics don't get hot. Yep. This house is very economical, very healthy, low in dust for those people with conditions for allergies or other things. Providence is your builder. My name is Ira Horn. My number is 904-309-2292. And if you want any property at Nocatee that Providence builds, I can help you out.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much, Ira. We so appreciate it. This house is amazing. If you want to be living in a beautiful home with, like he said, a very healthy living, you'll definitely want to come and speak with Ira in Providence here at Crosswinds. So thank you guys so much for joining us, and we'll see you next week.
See ya.
Bye.